You're my everything.
Hi guys, it's Tuesday.
23rd.
I just paused to see what he would come up with and he comes up with a date. So it's Tuesday and
24th, my bad.
we have a situation.
A special guest, if you will, coming.
I don't know if we can film them though, but we will. So basically, because we've been doing all of this, yes, the floors are in, remodeling. I'm a fan personally of Mr.Kate, and give this video a thumbs up if you know exactly who Mr.Kate is. And I submitted our video for the My Aesthetic series, and basically woke up this morning to a text message from DESIREE, and he basically said, can we come over to see the space? So OMG, they're coming over just to see. So we don't know if we're getting we don't know if we're getting chosen, but they're coming, and I'm just excited to meet them ultimately. I'm a fan.
Me too.
A man of little words.
Very little words.
So we have some progress on the floors, but we're not done, and we're hoping that today we have some amazing news, and Mr.Kate and Joey will be choosing us to decorate the space. So give this video a thumbs up to give wishes luck, and we'll see you in a little bit and let you know what happens.
And the car is coming.
Hey guys, so cutting back into maybe 4 hours later, they came over, and Ruben left for work, so he's not here with me now, but they came over, and basically they're going to redo the space, the living room, dining area, and kitchen, I think, because they took measurements in there. I really don't know what's gonna happen. It's all a surprise, but it's happening. I didn't want to record them, obviously. It was just like, even though they were recording us, I wanted it to just be about them and not be like trying to record and get them in there. But we did take a photo together, so I'll show you guys that now. And they're just super exactly the way they are in the video, and I just can't believe it's happening. So next time I see you guys will be in a week, because they'll be coming back in 1 week and they'll be working on it, and I'm excited. I look like a complete nerd in their video footage, but it's okay. So you guys will see that in their YouTube channel. See you soon. As promised, here's a final look of the finished product before Mr.Kate goes ahead and does their thing. So here it is. And we're back at another time, another place. My apologies for cutting the tour so short, but I did have company coming over, and I had to just very quickly show you guys. And what I will be showing right now is the before and after photo, showing you all of the work that we put in. Leave a comment if you know how crazy, stressful, hard it is to do a project like this. Anytime you're remodeling your home or a home, it's work. Whoa. It's not easy. So I'm going to show you guys a before and after right now, and let me know what you guys think. Here it goes. As you can see, the carpet had to be taken out, the cabinets had to be taken out. Thank you to Ruben and his friend Ed for demolishing the place. We got the kitchen done. We picked all the finishes and the paint, and if you have any questions as to what we did or how we did it, leave a comment and I'd be more than happy to answer or to help if I can. And the next time you will be seeing the space is on Mr.Kate's channel when they redesign it, and we'll be showing it after it airs on their YouTube, just because they're doing all the work, so they need to show the reveal, right? And make sure you do like and comment on this video. We would really appreciate it, and give us some feedback. Let me know your thoughts. So thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.